Hello! In this video, I will show you how to add a funny progress bar sticker to make your video more lively. Now let's start by heading to BoolVideo. Click Explore Now button to access the editor. Hit Media at the very top of the left sidebar. Click the footage to make it show on the timeline track. Now hit the stickers on the left and choose one to use as a progress bar. Well, I will choose this adorable puppy. Size it nicely. Condense the timeline to make it easier to overlay the sticker across the entire timeline. From now on, you just need 2 more steps to successfully make a progress bar. Click on the puppy sticker, then click on the diamond next to layout in the top right corner. This is a keyframe. Now drag the puppy to the far right as the end point of the progress bar. Click the keyframe again. Voila, the progress bar is ready now. Here is a quick tip for you. You must need more than 2 keyframes for it to work. Alright, if you find this is amazing, just try it on BoolVideo by yourself.